Hi guys, it's Tim. We're in the Anglo HQ. We're just downstairs in the workshop. The boys have been pretty busy over the last few days. We've been making a couple of racks for the cars. So basically one car sits on the top rails here, another one sits on the bottom, so there's two cars on top of each other. Some nice TIG welding down on the side here. Also on the other side here we made a rack so we can store a set of wheels and tyres on there. Also these two top rails, you can have another set of wheels and tyres on there. They just slide on like that. So two on this side, two on that side. Trolleys on wheels as well, so you can be moved around the workshop, so it's nice and easy to move the cars around. It's just going to be sent away to be powder coated and sandblasted, so it all looks nice and neat and tidy. As you can see, space is a premium in the workshop.